Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ernest. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Claude Code on your Windows PC. Let's get started. I'm going to leave the link to this Claude Code overview page in the description of this video. But if you don't trust clicking on links, I'm going to show you how I got here. So open up your browser of your choice. Go ahead and search for Claude Code. And you can click on the option with the link code.claudecode.overview right here. So this particular link, I'm going to click on that, and that is how I got to this exact page. So if you don't trust clicking on links, you can go about it this way and you get to this page. And here you can read a lot about the Claude Code. It's just a simple overview and instructions on how to install the Claude Code. And we have a lot of options to install the Claude Code using the Windows. You can either use the Windows CMD, which is the command line, or the terminal, whichever one you want to call it. And you can as well use the Windows PowerShell right here, which is what we're going to use in this video. So I can go ahead and copy up this command right here, and I'll open up my PowerShell. Let's see. I'm going to search for Windows PowerShell, and here it is. I'll go ahead and open up the PowerShell. And I'm going to paste the link. To paste the link, just go ahead and right click and the link will be pasted. So I will go ahead and load up the link. And if you load up the link and you get an error like this, just know that you need to install Git onto your Windows PC. And to install Git onto your Windows PC, go ahead and watch the video in the description of this video, or click on the link somewhere around your screen right now to watch how to install Git onto your Windows PC. But I've already installed Git on this PC right here, so I'm not going to get this particular error. But if you're getting this particular error right here, that is just what you need to do. Just go ahead and install Git and you will never have to experience that error. And as you can see guys, the installation is now complete. Claude Code has now been successfully installed on this PC. So you can run this simple command to see a lot of things that you can do with Claude Code. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to copy this command right here. And of course, I'm going to paste that and click on enter. And yeah, we got this error right here. The term Claude is not recognized as the name of a CMDlet. So that is pretty nice. We're going to fix this right away. What we need to do to fix this issue is to set this part right here as an environment variable. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to copy this part over here, and of course you can see set it as an environment variable. So I'm going to search for the environment variable. And there we have it. I'll click on that, and here it comes. I'll click on the environment variable option right here, and over here I'm going to click on the path and I'll click on edit. And of course I'm going to double click on the next line, and I'll go ahead and paste the environment variable path which I just copied, and I'll click on OK, and OK once more, and of course OK, right? And I'm going to copy this. Of course, I'm not going to run it right away, so I just need to go ahead and close this Windows PowerShell, and I'll open it back. So I'll go ahead and open it back, and then I'll go ahead and run the Claude --help over here. And here we have it. We have all the commands. We have all the commands right here. So with this, you can see that the Claude Code is set up. So what I'm going to do next, let me go ahead and maximize this. I'm just going to clear all this by typing CLS. And then now what I'm going to do right here is to paste this, but I'm going to just load the command Claude. And here you can see that Claude is up and running, and this is kind of a setup window. And here we have to select the theme mode that we want to work with. By default is set at dark mode, and I love that. And so I'm just going to click on enter. And on the next window, it requires you to log in with your subscription. As we all know, Claude Code is not free to use. You need a subscription to use Claude Code. You either use a direct Claude Code account with subscription, either the Pro, the Max, the Team, or the Enterprise plans, or whichever one that you might get. You also can use your Anthropic console account right here, and as well as third-party platforms like Amazon Bedrock Microsoft Foundry or Vertex AI or many others. So you can go ahead and select whichever one you might want to use. Then when you are able to move to the next steps, you'll be able to use Claude Code on your Windows operating system. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave any comment in the comment section, and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification. I'll see you in the next one.